TecSmart use a focus on key customer for the great amount of feedback. Data is gathered through employees, suppliers, customers, and etc. For leadership, TecSmart Electronic has a huge concern of focus over leadership. The senior leaders participated in communicates and engaged with all of their employees in quarterly meetings regarding company issues and answered questions. For succession, they made objectives by introducing employees to the purpose, and for development, various courses are taught by them at the smart electronic universities such as management, customer service, quality, and leadership. For strategic planning, the input for strategic planning is taken from market research, suppliers, customer feedback, benchmarking information, and industry leaders. Team analysis carry out all of this compiled and incorporated in long-term strategic planning, which is further documented, and this plan is talked through with the workforce. It is also shared with the major suppliers to ensure the feasibility of plan. For customer management, the standard of service are determined by customer service employees. After that, handling customer complaints, which are conducted directly by the Vice President of Sales. TecSmart Electronic use a lot of different processes to gather information about customers and validates the information from different sources. In other words, the customer is the king, and more customer satisfactions make them become a loyal customers.
Measurement analysis and knowledge management. The senior management is responsible for setting and evaluating the strategic goals and objectives. Top management defines the goals and strategies, whereas each department then comes together and work on the defined goals. All departments altogether put in effort to serve the predefined objectives and company's goals. For the better operating companies, it is very important to come together on one common ground and put in all the effort for achieving the goals and objectives of the company as a whole. Human resource focus. The employees of the organization were included for having a detailed discussion about every ongoing situation of the company. They were involved to investigate and hold discussions related to every emerging issue and problem in the company. As they were responsible for gathering information related to the emerging issues, they were also trained for sorting out those issues and growing problems. They were trained according to all the situations. Process management. The company follows the 6 Sigma goals, which are increase profits, reduce defects, improve quality, knows the stats, provide career advancement, and improve corporate culture. The process management is done according to it, and the company collects operation information and data in every department in order to perform analysis and evaluation of the requirements of the company. The employees are then well trained for the process management in a 5-step problem-solving process that is based on defining problems, collecting data, analyzing the cause of the problem, developing a solution, and finally implementing a change. Last but not least is business results. Quality is assessed through internal audits, surveys, and feedbacks. Thank you.
TecSmart Electronic has so many obvious strengths and opportunities in their company. The opportunities for improvement relative to about this criteria is strategic planning, where involve customer and manager in the process, but they did not mention how they set future goals. In order to improve the company, TecSmart need to follow all goals set by bodies that can lead to improvement. TecSmart Electronic need to provide workforce training appropriate to the scope of work to their workers so that they are more productive in carrying out their duties. In pursuing performance excellence through boundaries, they must be practice all the categories truly boundaries since the said philosophy is a new thing to them. Next, TecSmart Electronic need to expose its employees to familiarize them with naming and boundaries because they have different approaches and strengths. It can help improve the company as they both provide different sets of strengths. Apply a variety of theories will make them more flexible and innovative. As a result, TecSmart Electronic can generate a good result for their company.
created using Powtoon.